Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can remove password protection from Shopify. Okay, so if you want to remove password protection, you want to just log in into your Shopify store. Okay, now after you are on the dashboard of your Shopify store, you want to click here where it says online store. Okay, now after guys you click on online store, then you want to click here at the bottom. You can see here preferences. You want to click on it. Now after guys you click on preferences, then what you guys need to do, as you can see here in the top, you will see your online store is password protected. Now in case you don't see it, what you guys need to do, you want to just go down. Okay, scroll down, and here where it says this restrict access to visitors with password, you need to uncheck it. Okay, click this box where it says as you can see, it says here restrict access to visitors with password. You want to uncheck it. Okay, now after you uncheck it, then you want to remove this password, as you can see, and then you want to click on save. Now if you are not allowed to uncheck this, like it's buried, or whenever you click this box it's not allowing you to click on it, then as you can see I'm going to switch to my another Shopify store and I'm going to show you this problem. Click again on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click, I'm sorry, you don't really need to click on settings, you want to click here, it says online store. Okay, as you can see, okay, you want to click on online store and you want to click on preferences, and if you scroll down you will see this box, as you can see, but it's buried. I'm not allowed to uncheck it. Now the reason for that is above that you can see here, to let anyone access your online store you need to pick a plan. So if you don't pick a plan, this box will stay buried and you will not be able to remove password from your Shopify store. So what you guys need to do in this case, you want to click on pick a plan and you want to select the basic or Shopify or advanced or plus. Now I'm going to go with basic, and then you will just need to enter your credit card. Keep in mind that it's not going to be charged right now, so it's going to be charged after 1 month. As you can see, the first month for like $1 for the first month, as you can see here. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, you just need to enter information, click on subscribe. Now you will be able to remove the password from your Shopify. Okay, if this one helped you, let me know in the comments. If it doesn't, please go to the comments and let me know exactly what is your problem. Okay, if you still have this problem even though you have picked a plan, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, and see you guys in the next one. Drop a like and see you guys next one.